Good morning, students. Welcome in computer class of 8th standard, and we are doing chapter number 3, charts in Excel. In our previous class, we have done types of chart, how to change chart type, and we have also learned about spark lines and combo chart. So in today's class, we will learn how to move the chart, how to resize the chart, how we can delete the chart, how to move a chart from one worksheet to the other worksheet, and shortcut key to create a chart. Start with the moving. Once you have inserted chart in a worksheet, then you can move it. Move it means you can change the position of the chart from one place to another place. So now I will tell you how to change the position of the chart. Now your first step is click on Start button, then click on Excel 2016. Now Excel window will appear on your screen. Now I'm going to move this chart from one position to other position. So first of all, select the chart. Now place your mouse pointer at the chart area. This is a chart area. Then press and drag this four-headed arrow at the desired location, and last release the mouse. Next is resizing. Resizing means if you want to change the size of the chart, then you can resize your chart. I will tell you how to resize the chart. Students, now I'm going to resize the chart, means I'm going to change the size of the chart. So select the chart. Now place your mouse pointer on any corner of the chart. Now you can see here double-headed arrow. Now drag this resize handle in any direction. Now you can see your chart is resized. Next is deleting. Deleting means if you want to remove your chart from your worksheet, then how we can delete the chart. So I will tell you how we can delete a chart. Select the chart. Just click on the chart. Now chart is selected. Now press the delete key from your keyboard. This is a delete key. Press delete key. Now chart is deleted. Next is steps to move a chart from one worksheet to the other worksheet. Now I will tell you how we can do this. Students, you can see your chart is on sheet 1. Now I'm going to move this chart on sheet 2. Select the chart. Just click on it. Now chart is selected. Then click on Design tab. This is Design tab. Click on it. Next step is select the Move Chart option. You can see here this is a Move Chart option. Click on it and then select the desired location. You can choose your location from here. And then last step is click on OK. Now you can see our chart is on sheet 2. Next is keyboard shortcut. Students, if you want to create a chart instantly, then you have to press F11 shortcut key. I'll show you. So students, look here. Here I want to insert a chart instantly. So one shortcut key is there. You have to press F11 for that. Press F11. Now I'm going to press it. Now you can see chart is inserted here. So this is a shortcut key to insert a chart. So students, this is all about of today's class. Here you have learned how to move the chart, how to resize the chart, how to delete the chart, how to move a chart from one worksheet to the other worksheet, and shortcut key to create a chart. So students, read this chapter and do practice of these things at home. Thank you.